Welcome back to the new friends. Today we are going to talk about how to on app notification in Oppo phone. Guys, you want any notification, your app notification guys you want, so you can on in this video guys I will show you how to on it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're in my channel and you're watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, you will have to click on notification and status bar setting. Then guys, you can see manage notification. After guys, you can see app notification. So guys, which app notification guys you want to on? Guys, Facebook notification guys you want to on, file manager notification guys, Gmail notification guys you want to on, Instagram location guys you want to on notification guys, photos notification you want to on. So you can on from this setting guys which app guys you want notification guys, you can on from here. So that's it guys. I hope friends you have understood how to on app notification in Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.